Businesses are fighting back against the state, this time tackling the governor's anti-woke messaging.
Today, a federal appeals court upheld a lower court ruling that a portion of the state's Individual Freedom Act, also known as the Stop Woke Act, is unconstitutional.
Tonight, 10 Tampa Bay's Angelina Salcido spoke to the businesses who fought the law since it was signed years ago.
It's important to note here that this lawsuit deals with the part of the Stop Woke Act that specifically applies to businesses in the state of Florida. 3 of them represented, 2 right here in Tampa Bay. Tonight, they tell me they're happy the court is on their side.
I had to stand up not just for me, but for everybody.
First Amendment rights are First Amendment rights.
A battle against the state.
Florida is where woke goes to die.
Governor Ron DeSantis sticking firm to his message, anti-wokeness is alive and well in Florida. The Stop Woke Act passed in 2022.
It applies to private employers, to public colleges and universities, and it applies to higher education.
Shalini Goyal-Argwal, special counsel at Protecting Democracy.
The speech it's targeting is DEI speech, diversity, equity, and inclusion.
The nonprofit backed businesses in their fight against DeSantis' law, 2 of them right here in Tampa Bay.
It's important for our employees to understand the diverse customers that we serve.
Sarah Margolis, the CEO of honeyfund.com, a woman-run company based in Clearwater that helps couples plan their honeymoons.
Diversity trainings make sense for our employees.
It's the same for Primo Tampa.
My initial reaction was one of shock.
Antonio McBroom, the visionary franchise developer leading the first 2 Black-owned Ben & Jerry's locations in Clearwater and Tampa.
The government can't come into someone's business and rule parts of the dictionary out of bounds because they don't like some of the words.
Monday, a ruling from the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals sided with businesses, saying the Stop Woke Act commits First Amendment sin by penalizing certain viewpoints. Governor DeSantis' office disagreeing with the court's opinion, saying the state of Florida should have every right to protect Floridians from racially hostile workplaces. Now they'll look at options to appeal for the 3rd time.
The tenacity to just keep trying to appeal it.
I don't feel it would be right for the governor's office to appeal.
With Governor Ron DeSantis' office saying that all appeals are on the table, these businesses and their lawyers say that they are prepared to fight back should this ruling be appealed once again. Their lawyer, however, tells me that she feels an appeal would be a waste of taxpayer dollars. In Tampa tonight, Angelina Salcido, 10 Tampa Bay.